Hi everybody, it's Dejan. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Wicon is coming to the open market with Silversun Premium. Now, this is great news for persons who do not have as much NHD points and they were interested in Silversun. So today I'm just going to give you a breakdown of the community. Unfortunately, I do not have the pricing as yet because Wicon has yet to announce it. But if you're interested in learning more and seeing the amenities, new amenities that will be available with this unit, please go ahead and stick around. Okay everybody, thank you so much for sticking around for this video, and I just want to give a special shout out to all my new subscribers and everyone that has been here from way back when. Thank you so much. Your support really means a lot. So let's just jump right into this video. Now, we all know about Silversun, right? We know about the development built by Wicon, offered by the NHD. I mean, I even applied for it, but I didn't get it. And I wasn't surprised. I don't have that much points. And I think it garnered a lot of interest. A lot of persons are interested in these units. But let's be frank, majority of us, we just don't have the points that it will take to get one of these units. So before we even go on, I have to really address the reports that are coming out of the community. I've seen them and I think we are supposed to be talking about this. So in recent times, I have seen where persons are complaining about break-ins at their Silversun home. And honestly, Silversun is a bit isolated. I mean, there are a few communities that surround it, but it is a good little drive into the community, and the area that surrounds it is a bit vegetated. And I think it was marketed, I'm not sure, but I think it was marketed as a gated community. And I've seen where communities that are a bit isolated or they're new and there's not a lot of persons that, there are not that many communities that are immediately surrounding it, that a lot of times these are prone to burglaries and activities like this because majority of the residents are the working population, so they're not home during the day. A lot of the residents also are the elderly, so it makes it a prime spot for unscrupulous people. I even went on and I did some research, and because I remembered that in 2020, I think, yeah, and it was confirmed that New Harbor Village, which is a gated community, they were having problems with break-ins because persons were coming through the fence. And I even found an article from 2017 where New Harbor Village was having the same break-in problems. But I've not heard any recent reports. I think they have gone ahead and have manage their security effectively, and that is what Wicon needs to do. That's what the NHD needs to do for these residents, because if you're in an area that is not very populated and have so much vegetation, it's sad to say, but it becomes attractive to unscrupulous persons. So I really hope they can address this, because this new Silversun Premium that they're offering, it sounds really good to me, and I'm liking what I'm hearing and I'm liking what they're offering, but they have to address these problems because it's going to be a deterrent to future residents. But let's just jump into what Silversun Premium is offering. So you know Silversun, it's minutes outside of Spanish Town and it's on Old Harbor Road, so that road that leads to Old Harbor. So it's central. It's central in terms of being close to town, so it's central in terms of that. So this new home, it's the same 2-bedroom 1-bathroom, and it's like the same 770 square feet. The lot size now, they range from 3,917 to 20,238 square feet. There will be, well, front entry porch, open floor plan, that's the same, but they're also offering solar water heater with these new units, AC in the master bedroom, ceiling fan in the second bedroom, landscaped entrance with interlocking brick driveway, now that is new, and ample space for expansion. They also indicate that amenities will include a clubhouse, a football field, multi-purpose courts, play areas, daycare center, as well as a convenience store. So what they're offering sounds really good, and I'm excited at the prospect of all of these things. But I'm also wary, and I know persons will be wary of what we're hearing about the break-ins, and I do think that they have to go ahead and address that. They have to go ahead and do some deep bushing. If this is a gated community, they need to ensure that they put up the fence or the wall as soon as possible, and let residents know what will be the maintenance fee so that they can start paying it, because people want to feel secure. Now, what is my recommendation in terms of buying one of these? Well, they're not on the market just yet. Silversun is trying, well, Wicon rather, is trying to gather an interest group to see how many persons are interested. I'm leaving their contact details so you can call them for more information. But what do I think? I think it's a great development. I think it has great prospects, but I am wary of what is going on, and thinking about the area being so vegetated and all of that. And I think they need to go ahead and address that as they offer this new phase, because what they're offering, what they're selling is definitely worth buying, but we have to address those things. But let me know in the comments, what do you think of this development? Until my next video, continue to stay safe and see you soon.